guys, it's Emily. Welcome back to We Heart Nail Art. Today I'll be showing you how to do these super simple galaxy nails. Let's just get right into the tutorial. I started off this mani with 2 coats of Picture Polish Holo sphere. This honestly could be a galaxy on its own, but obviously being me, I decided to take it a step further. I totally forgot to film it, but I added liquid latex around my nails, and then I'm using little bits of a makeup sponge that I just pulled apart. I started by putting little bits of yellow on the tip, then I'm just dabbing it onto my nail. I'm mostly using this yellow as an outline of where I want the galaxy to go, so it's probably not going to be super opaque over the dark color. Next, I applied a little bit of lime green onto a new piece of the makeup sponge, and I dabbed it on over the yellow, then I repeated the same steps with the darker green. I then peeled off my liquid latex, then I used a small dotting tool dipped in a little bit of white nail polish, and I kind of just made little dots all over my nail. You don't want to go too crazy with these though, or it'll look a little bit weird. I also have a glittery silver nail polish that I applied over the green, just to make it a little bit more sparkly. Lastly, I finished up with my glossy top coat. So that is it for this nail tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe and check out all my social medias in the links below. I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye!